वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल।
हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम क्लास 4th इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक का 12th चैप्टर द पास्ट टेंस सिंपल एंड कंटिन्यूस पढ़ेंगे। 12th चैप्टर द पास्ट टेंस सिंपल एंड कंटिन्यूस। रीड द सेंटेंसेस बिलो। I ate oranges last week. Dani was walking her dog an hour ago. The highlighted words in the sentences tell us that the action has already taken place sometime in the past. इन वाक्यों में हाइलाइटेड किए गए शब्दों हमें बताते हैं कि क्रिया पहले कभी हो चुकी है। They are in the past tense. ये भूतकाल है। A verb is in past tense when the action has already finished sometime in the past. क्रिया भूतकाल में होती है जब क्रिया पहले ही कभी समाप्त हो चुकी होती है। Simple past tense. Look at these sentences. My grandparents visited us last week. Last weekend I wrote an email to my friend. In these sentences, the verbs are in the simple past tense. इन वाक्यों में क्रियाएं सरल भूतकाल में है। The simple past tense is used to show actions that have already taken place in the past time. साधारण भूतकाल का प्रयोग उन क्रियाओं को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है जो पहले ही भूतकाल में घटित हो चुकी है। To use a verb in the simple past tense, we generally add ed at the end. क्रिया में साधारण भूतकाल में प्रयोग करने के लिए हम आमतौर पर अंत में ed जोड़ते हैं। Examples: play, played, start, started, cook, cooked. There are some verbs which do not follow the aforementioned rule. They are called irregular verbs. कुछ क्रियाएं ऐसी होती है जो रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करती है, उन्हें इनरेगुलर वर्ब्स कहते हैं। Examples: write, wrote, sing, sang, throw, threw. Forming different types of sentences using the simple past tense. Type of sentences. Examples: positive statement. I played football yesterday. He saw his family last week. I was in Germany in August. Negative statement. I didn't play football yesterday. I did not see his family last week. They did not go to the theater last month. Question: did you play football yesterday? Did he see his family last week? Did he clean his home last weekend? A. Fill in the blanks with the past tense of the verbs in the brackets. जो यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट्स में वर्ड्स है उनको पास्ट टेंस में लिखना है। फर्स्ट, I dash a movie last week. C. So. Second, the rabbit dash around the yard. Hope, hoped. Third, she dashed beautifully. Dance, danced. Fourth, Charles Dickens dashed Oliver Twist. Write, wrote. Fifth, the boy dashed the chocolates. Grab, grabbed. Sixth, the queen dashed a beautiful silk gown. Wear, wore. Seventh, I dash in Muscat for 5 years. Live, lived. Eighth, Arya dash a cake. Eat, ate. B. Underline the verb in the sentences, then rewrite the sentences using the simple past tense. जो यहाँ पर अंडरलाइन किए हुए हैं उनको यहाँ पर सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में लिखना है. फर्स्ट, अर्णव शेयर्स his tiffin with me. Arav shared his tiffin with me. Second, I meet my friends every day. I met my friends every day. Third, the shopkeeper sells expensive dresses. The shopkeeper sold expensive dresses. Fourth, Mrs. Arna teaches English to the students. Mrs. Arna taught English to the students. Fifth, he throws garbage in the dustbin. He threw garbage in the dustbin. Sixth, Hoseok says he wants some more cake. Hoseok said that he wanted some more cake. Seventh, Sana wants to go to the park. Sana wanted to go to the park. 8th, Mayur hurt his arm. Mayur hurt his arm.